Hi, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to run your first Facebook ads campaign for your local business. This is not an expert or advanced tutorial for Facebook ads. This is if you're a local business trying to try out Facebook ads and you want to run a campaign that's going to show results. This video is for you. If you're looking for something more advanced, I will create another video on how to run a really detailed Facebook ad marketing campaign for your business. But this is for people who are just looking to get started and tap into Facebook ads, okay, for their local business. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we need to do some research on how to run a really good ad, and where better to learn that than your competitor, right? So to do this, we're going to go to Google and we're going to type in Facebook ads library, and we're going to click add library right here, and we're going to be running a beauty salon ad. This is the company we're going to run. We're just going to pretend that we own a beauty salon, and we're going to run an ad for our beauty salon in our local city. So to do that, we're going to select right here, add category, click all ads, and all you have to do is type in beauty salon, right? And if you had a plumbing company, you'd type in plumbing. If you have a roofing company, you type in roofing. If you have an accounting company or a tax company, you type in tax company, right? Or tax consultant, whatever. So beauty salon, hit enter. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to filter it out by media type and videos, and then just apply that filter, right? Because your first campaign, I'm telling you right now, your first campaign, you're going to run a video campaign. A video campaign is going to convert better, and it's just going to run better, and you're going to have more success, and you're going to be like, wow, this is working, right? I'm not saying image campaigns don't work. I'm saying that video campaigns are going to perform better, so might as well just do it, right? Just might as well get it over with. And it doesn't have to be high quality. You can just do it with your camera, and you can do it yourself. And I'm going to show you right now of what you can do. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down, and we're going to look for one. Here's one, Mrs. Cuts Beauty Salon. She's been running ads on since July 5th of 2023. So obviously it's working, right? Her ad campaign is working, and let's find out why. Let's find out why it's working. So let's watch one of these videos and see what's going on. So let's click see ad details right here, and let's see the ad. Okay, she's literally just showing her cutting hair. Okay. Simple enough, right? Running it since July 6th. It's obviously doing well because she's been running it. Okay. Here's a better ad. There we go. So she's using a sound that, music in the background. She's just showing pictures of her work. Super simple. And that's it. That's literally what that's how she built her ad. And she's been running since July 5th. It's obviously working and getting her clients. And if you want to see where this ad leads to, you click right here, learn more. And look at that. It brings her to her website. And the first thing you see is Call Salon. Perfect. And wow, her website's actually pretty good too. I like that she has these little videos embedded into the website, the GIF, and then call now, Google verified reviews, her pricing. Oh, this website's perfect. This is a perfect website for generating leads directly from a Facebook ad. And if you right click, go to inspect element, I just want to make sure. Perfect. So it is mobile friendly because most of your ads are going to be seen by people on a mobile device, right? So if you see right here, Call Salon, it's huge. It's the first thing, number, you just click it. just gonna call her directly. And then you scroll down, you see a video right away. It's perfect. This is a perfect example of what you want your website to look like. Okay, so let's exit back out here. And now we basically just copy what she's doing. We literally copy it. So let's do that. Let's go to our Facebook page and we're going to set up our ad campaign now. So I actually am going to set up an example campaign on this Facebook page. So what you're going to do is you're going to switch to your profile to the Facebook page, and you're going to go to the Ad Center right here. Do not click Ads Manager. If you're looking to create an advanced campaign and you're an expert, then you will mess with the Ads Manager. But if this is your first campaign, you have no idea what you're doing, you're going to the Ad Center. And so now we're going to click Create Ad right here. It even tells you right here, look, get started with a recommendation for your first ad. Perfect. So we're going to click Create Ad, and it's going to prompt you with all these different things. What are you trying to do? Okay. So we're trying to get more website visitors. If you're trying to get more calls, you click Get More Calls. It'll call you directly from Facebook. I'm telling you right now, it's not going to be as good as the Get More Website Visitors. You're going to pay a lot more per call. It's not going to lead into a lot of leads, and so I just don't recommend doing the Get More Calls. You will get calls eventually, right? But you're not going to get as many as they direct them towards your website. Your conversions are going to be lower directing them to your website. And let's say you own a roofing company, or you're a consultant, or anything that need, it's a little bit higher priced, then I would do Get More Leads as a lead form. That's what I would run. Get More Leads, and then you can run a lead form to collect the information of them, and then you call them. And so you could do it that way, but this is an example for a salon, and we're going to do the Get More Website Visitors. So click that. All right, so now it's going to ask, what do you want your ad to look like? It's going to show you the description. I'm just going to copy what they have, right? They have a little different. They tested a couple different ads. This one's a short description. It just literally says their phone number, call for appointments, and then the address, right? This one has a little bit more text. And so let's scroll down and see what other, oh, we broke it. Okay, cool. And the Facebook ads library is going to break sometimes, so just refresh it. If you're scrolling and it breaks, it's kind of finicky. But let's see. Okay, so this one's cool. I like this one. It has emojis. It says something about their discount. This one's pretty good. So we're just going to copy this one. And then we're going to edit whatever we need to edit to make it ours, right? Whatever offers we're going to do. I don't know. So I'm just going to leave it right here. And now we're going to select media. And we're going to upload our video that we created. So click videos right here. And I actually created a video, which I'm going to show you for this campaign. And I want to open it. Simple as can be. So we're going to select this video, let it upload. Okay, so the video uploaded, and now we're going to deselect this. And so we just have one, but you can select actually multiple different videos for a carousel, which means it'll show multiple videos in the ad. Just select one video and click select. Now we're going to get a headline. Your headline is going to be your offer. So literally just copy what someone else is doing. See ad details. There's the offer right here. So we're just going to copy what they're doing. Special offer, get 75 discount on any micro links. So if you offer something, special offer, $100 off your oh, you only have 25 characters, so $100 off your next appointment, something like that, right? 25% off hair extensions, because that's what this ad is for. Simple, just your offer in the headline, right? And now we're going to go down to the button and we're going to do learn more. When in doubt, choose learn more. But you can also do book now. I don't see the get offer. This is because they created the ad in the ads manager and there's more buttons to choose from. But when in doubt, learn more. Okay, so now the website URL, I'm going to put in the website for this business. And now we're going to choose an audience. So we're going to create an audience. I have one right here that I created. And it's extremely easy to create it, but I'm going to show you how to create it. So let's do a new one. We're going to click create new. We're going to call this one Beauty Salon Orange, California, or Beauty Salon Interests. Okay. So that's going to be our audience, because we're going to select the interest of beauty salon, and it's going to be in Orange, California. So I'm going to select an age group of 24 and women, and we're going to do the location, Orange, California, just like that. Super simple. And then we are going to do detailed targeting. So we're going to click browse. We're going to type in beauty salon, and now it's going to show some different interests. So we're going to do beauty salon. Okay, let's see, what are some other interests? We could do hair extensions. There we go. And then we could do hair coloring right there, and that's it. That's all we really need, right? And then we're going to select back out. It's going to tell you if the audience is perfect, and it is. The audience definition, your audience is defined, and it's in the green area. So this is good. So if you're running your first ads, if you're running your first campaign, I suggest just doing one audience. So I'm just going to go with beauty salons. It's a little bit lower, right? But it's people interested in beauty salons or cosmetics. So we're going to click save audience. And then we're going to run this ad. I suggest, if you run this ad, I suggest 14 days and you do it at $10 a day. Okay. That's going to give you 26 to 84 clicks, estimated clicks per day. I recommend you test this ad for 2 weeks, right? Give it at least 2 weeks to see if it generates any traffic or anyone booking a call with you. If you do $5 a day, it's just too small to see anything, and anything under 2 weeks is just you're not going to know if it works, right? And if that customer, let's say you do get a customer from this, you paid only one customer, you paid $140 for that customer. I mean, if they stick with you for 12 months or 6 months, that one customer is worth over $1,000, especially if you're doing high, value hair or whatever, if it's $300 per treatment or whatever you're doing, that $140 spend, if you even get one customer from this, is worth it, right? So now we're going to go to placements and we're going to leave this on. Okay. We're going to leave this on, and it's just going to let Facebook do its thing, put the ads where it needs to be put to get seen. They know what to do. And then Metapixel, we're going to turn this on, and it's currently not active, but this is actually extremely hard to set up. So I'm going to create another video on how to set up your Metapixel. But if you do not have this set up, if you do not have this set up, it's fine. You could just promote it, send them to your website. But I highly suggest, if you want to run a good campaign, you set up your Metapixel on your WordPress website. It's extremely easy. If you don't know how to do it, go to Fiverr and just pay someone. Okay? Just pay someone to set up your pixel. And you can get it for $10 right here. $10, $5, $15. Have them set up your Metapixel for your Facebook ads campaign so you can get this working. Have them remote into your computer and just help you set it up. But if you could do it yourself, it's extremely easy. I will create another video on how to do it and set it up for you. So stay tuned for that. But once that's all done, you're just going to add your payment information right here and then just click promote now and you're good to go. I mean, easy as it can be. And if you click right here, see all previews, it'll show you how your ad's going to look across the different platforms. And, you know, Facebook's going to do their thing and just, it's not working, but expect a lot of things not to work with the Facebook ads. You know, it's a little finicky, but, yeah, I mean, this is a good ad. It's going to perform well. And then let's say that you run this ad and you do get clients from it. You know, you can, all you could do is just double down on what works and then run this ad again, duplicate it, and then maybe increase the ad spend a little bit and then go from there. But start at $10 a day, 14 days, and follow this and you'll be good to go. So that's how you set up your first Facebook ads campaign if you're a local business and you're just trying to step into the Facebook ads game and you don't want to spend money, a lot of money on hiring someone to set it up for you. Do it yourself, test it out. That method is going to work, especially if you do a video ad, right? Please do a video ad. Look, it could be super simple. It could be with your phone recorded, and it could be super just, you know, don't make it like terrible, right? Where it doesn't make sense. But you saw that person just did a still images of work they did in just a video with a good soundtrack. I mean, it's super simple. You could do it in TikTok, Instagram, whatever. And, you know, download CapCut for free and just do that ad, do a video ad, and then run your campaign. And you should be good. You'll start seeing traffic. You do need a website. But like I said, if you don't have a website, you could just do calls. But I really suggest, you know, for your campaign to be successful, you need a website. And especially if you have a beauty salon, this is a good website to copy, right? You want something like this, almost identical to this, because this is going to convert. It's going to get people engaged. It looks legit and it's just so simple. I mean, it's just perfect. So if you do anything, build a website, make sure you have a call to actions at the top, and you should be good to go. So yeah, that's how you create your first Facebook ad campaign if you're just getting started, for you're just a new local business, new startup. If you're looking for something more advanced, I'll create a video on that, on how to build a extremely advanced campaign to, you know, track conversions, see how many people are actually booking through this ad, and analyze how many leads or how much you're spending per lead. You know, I'm spending $20 and they're booking an appointment with me. That's going to be in a different video that I create where you can track all of that. So if you like this video and it helped you out, please like it and please subscribe. And if you have any difficulties setting up your Facebook ad campaign, leave a comment down below and I'll help you out through your process. Thank you. I'm Zach from Zootru.